The service steering column lock warning is a common issue affecting Chevrolet Tahoe models, particularly those manufactured between 2007 and 2014. This warning indicates a malfunction in the electronic steering column lock system, commonly abbreviated as ESCL. This system is a critical anti-theft security feature built into these vehicles. The ESCL system works by mechanically locking the steering wheel when the vehicle is turned off. It requires proper key fob authentication to unlock, preventing unauthorized vehicle operation. General Motors has acknowledged this widespread issue through technical service bulletins, including TSB number 21 NA081, which provides updated diagnostic procedures for affected vehicles. Understanding the root causes of ESCL failures is crucial for proper diagnosis. There are 4 primary failure modes, each with different frequencies of occurrence. Proper diagnosis of ESCL issues requires specific diagnostic codes and testing procedures. The most common OBD2 diagnostic trouble codes associated with this problem are BT2960, B2961, and B2962. Modern diagnostic approaches include OBD2 scanning for trouble codes, bidirectional testing to command lock and unlock cycles, voltage testing of power and ground circuits, and CAN bus analysis to check communication between vehicle modules. Understanding these fundamental aspects of the ESCL system and its common failure patterns is essential for accurate diagnosis and effective repair of the service steering column lock warning in affected Chevrolet Tahoe vehicles. When facing a steering column lock warning, start with these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and potentially resolve the issue. First, test your battery voltage. You need at least 12.4 volts with the engine off and 13.5 to 14.5 volts when running. A weak battery is often the root cause of steering column lock issues. Next, inspect the ESCL fuse, typically a 10-amp fuse in the underhood fuse box. Also check your key fob battery. If it reads below 3 volts, replace it immediately. Try a software reset by disconnecting the battery for at least 15 minutes. This clears temporary glitches in the body control module and can resolve intermittent issues. If troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, you have 3 main professional repair options, each with different costs and warranty coverage. OEM replacement is the most expensive but most reliable option, costing $800 to $1,200 with a 3-year warranty and 95% success rate. Remanufactured units offer a middle ground solution at $400 to $700 with 1 to 2-year warranties and 85 to 90% success rates. Repair services are the most economical choice at $300 to $500, typically offering 1-year warranties with 80 to 85% success rates. Prevention is always better than repair. Follow these key maintenance practices to avoid steering column lock issues in the future. General Motors has extended warranty coverage for certain VINs affected by this issue. Check with your dealer to see if your vehicle qualifies for coverage, and remember that aftermarket solutions are becoming increasingly available and cost-effective.